Hey everybody, you know who it is. It's the Banjoman. Well, as you can see, I put a hole in a perfectly good bucket that I married to another. Simple. Set two buckets on top of each other. These are Tractor Supplies. This is a food grade heavy duty barrel, and as you can see, it's ready to be hung like this. And with this opening, I'm attempting to catch more honeybees. This is another project I did last year or the year before. Year before. In May, and I uploaded a video. I got bees. So I'm doing it again, and I got the secret ingredient is the lemongrass oil. Yep. Right here, the lemongrass oil, what I will keep, and Q-tip oil around the opening. And the honeybee drones will smell this, and if there's a future queen somewhere needs a home, well, by golly, they'll move in here. Hope everything's going okay with everybody in this crazy time we're having. Keep away from everybody. As you can see with these zip ties, a whole big bag like this is for a bucket, Dollar Tree. And you know, you cut them, the leftovers. Simple to put up. And you know, past 2 weeks I've been home. The only time I'm leaving the house is to get doodads like this and to sell totes. I've continued, been making cash selling my IBC totes. I sell them on Facebook Marketplace. Doing well. So I'm going to mount this in the backyard on that tree in that nook. I'm not going to record it. I'm not going to record the work I do. I'm sorry. But I had one hanging there last year. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to duplicate it. It's not easy by yourself, so let me go hang it. I don't want to record me falling off a ladder. Look how it's crooked. So anyhow, you guys stay safe. It's a hot one here in Florida. You can see I throw my waste over in the ground, and that's gourd. Tomatoes, I got tomatoes coming up. We'll see what happens. Alright, I'm going to end this video, and I'll do a swing. There's a bird bath I got for Mama. You know, that's from her estate. God bless her soul. And bird feeders. And this is going to be, I'm going to put a board in the hole, and I'm going to make a round hole for squirrels to go in there. Alright, you guys have a great day. Aw, look at my little pups next door. What?